Hey guys, it's Glitch here. Getting ready to meet up with a guy named Charlie. His name is Myndless FPV, and I'll be introducing you to him here in a little bit. But I just wanted to really just get some good flight footage. As you can see, another beautiful day. Got kids walking through the park. You guys going fishing? You gonna catch some big ones? I hope so. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some flight footage in. It's Glitch here, and I'm here with Charlie, aka Myndless FPV. How you doing? It's this guy right here. Anyway, sorry about my camera skills; they're not all on point today. But anyway, just want to introduce this guy. He's basically one of the major influences in me with FPV. I met him at a little drone club. I've been there before, and you've seen it in some of my videos. But anyway, I met this guy over there, and he's basically the one that's pretty much taken me under his arm and everything with flying FPV. He races.
Feels so special right now.
He races and does all that, you know, all the,
I don't know if you want to call
crazy
it racing.
fun shit.
I try to fly fast and not crash.
Yeah. But anyway, I want to introduce you to this guy, and so I want to ask you a couple questions. So, what is it that inspires you to get into FPV? Like, what was it that got you into the?
Another one of my friends. His name was Dan Ward. He's Elder FPV on YouTube and on Buckeye FPV. But he got me into it. I was predominantly in RC cars, nitro cars, and he was like, "Man, you know, you got to try these quads out. You got to come look at them. You got to see these things fly." And he had a SpeedX 210 that he bought from Buddy RC. Nice. And that SpeedX 210, I seen that thing fly in. From then on, I sold my, what was it? It was a 2-wheel drive brushed Traxxas stadium truck thing. And I sold that for $180, bought a DX6, a QX Nano, and some Strix batteries from Ready Made, and I started, hammering out LOS. Nice. And then I bought my first quad, and it was smooth. It was not smooth sailing, but it was sailing from there on out.
Nice, very nice. So yeah, that's Charlie, Myndless FPV. In fact, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below to his YouTube channel. I know there's not a lot of videos on there right now, but stay tuned. I'm sure there'll be many more.
There will be. Definitely.
There you go.
Follow me on Instagram too, Chaz187.
There you go. Anyway, this is Glitch FPV. Hope you enjoyed some of the flight footage from today. Have a good day and happy flying.